The world of sport is different today than it was 100 years ago because of technology. Hi there, my name is Espoir, and today I will be presenting to you how Apple Watch is used in sports to analyze biomechanics, movements, and performance. Let me briefly start by defining what technology analysis in sport refers to. According to Dr. Patrick Lucy, who is the chief scientist at Stats Perform, define it as the application of advanced technological tools that is used to collect, process, and interpret data related to athletes' performance, training, and biomechanics. It utilized to gain insights into an athlete's physical capabilities, monitor their progress, identify areas of improvement, and enhance overall performance. Apple Watch is a wearable smart device designed to monitor and analyze features of human performance, health, and fitness. Apple Watch was introduced to sport, particularly among cyclists, in 2015 by Apple Watch Inc. The primary purpose of introducing the Apple Watch in the content of sport was to provide athletes with an advanced wearable device that is capable of monitoring and enhancing the performance and overall well-being. The Apple Watch was integrated with features like GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, motion data in real time, and accelerometer. Athletes could use the device to track their routes, measure speed and distance, monitor their heart, and gather data on physical activities. Apple Watch analyzes biomechanics movement primarily through its onboard sensors, including accelerometer and gyroscopes. These sensors detect motion, orientation, and change in velocity, which enable the device to track movement such as running, walking, or cycling. By collecting data on acceleration and rotation, the watch calculates critical biomechanics variables like stride rate, step count, and speed. Apple Watch uses its built-in accelerometer and gyroscopes to measure stride rate. It analyzes the movement of your wrist and arm to estimate the frequency of your stride while running or walking. Apple Watch measures speed by using its built-in GPS and accelerometer sensors. It tracks your movement and calculates your speed based on the distance traveled over time. The accuracy of Apple Watch data recording is generally good for fitness tracking. However, it may vary depending on factors like specific activity being monitored and the version of the device. While it provides a reasonable accurate data for most users, it might not be as precise as specialized equipment used in research-grade biomechanics analysis. Since Apple Watch collects data using various sensors as mentioned earlier, it's able to offer a wide range of metrics that are heart rate, step count, distance travel, elevation gain, calories burns, workout duration, and sleep data. It also provides a specialized metrics for activities like running, cycling, and swimming, such as pace, cadence, and stroke count. The Apple Watch's ability to accurately measure heart rate has been studied and validated for various use cases, including monitoring resting heart rate variability, and detecting irregular heart rate rhythm like atrial fibrillation. The Apple Watch may perform less accurate in extreme conditions, such as very cold or hot temperature, high humidity, or heavy rainfall. Moisture and water exposure can affect the touch screen. Apple Watch relies on GPS for location tracking, which can be less accurate in areas with obstructed satellite signal like dense urban environments or heavily forested areas. The watch's accuracy can vary by the type of exercise. For instance, it tends to be more accurate for running and walking than for activity involving complex movement. Regularly calibration the watch and keeping its software updated can easily improve accuracy. The Apple Watch estimated VO2 max, which is the maximum oxygen consumption, by analyzing heart rate data during running. It calculates the rate at which your heart rate increases during a workout, as well as your age, gender, and weight. This estimation is based on the principle that as you exercise, your heart rate increases to deliver more oxygen to your muscle. By assessing this relationship, the watch provides an estimate of your aerobic fitness level. A higher VO2 max indicates better aerobic fitness and a more efficient oxygen utilized by your muscles. The accuracy of VO2 max estimation is generally acceptable for most users. The accuracy of VO2 max estimation is generally acceptable for most users, but may not be as precise as measuring obtained through a lab-based direct VO2 max test. Users can often improve tracking accuracy by ensuring the watch is worn Apple Watch users can often improve tracking accuracy by ensuring the watch is worn correctly, using a compatible GPS signal, and keep the watch software updated to the date. Calibration may also be necessary for some activities to improve accuracy further. Overall, it's all valuable tool for monitoring and analyzing movement for most users, but it's essential to be aware of its limitation and potential source of errors. Thank you for listening to me.